So today we're taking a look at Spigen's cases for the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. In this video, you're just going to see cases for Spigen's line for the iPhone 11 Pro, but all these cases are available for every single iPhone 11 phone. So the first one up that we have is the thin fit. This, as always, is my favorite iPhone case. It just really protects the phone in a very minimal way. You can still see that cool 3-camera bump there. And it's gonna protect the sides of the phone as well. It's probably my favorite case. Like, it's the best case that Spigen sells, bar none, for every single phone. So moving on from that, we're gonna take a look at the Liquid Air. So this case is rubberized. It's got this texturized back, which is really nice. I'm a big fan of it. It's really good at preventing dust and grease from getting on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And there's a matte design on the rear of the phone, so in general, you're getting less grease on it, but this kind of steps things up a notch. Precise camera cutouts, and it has a lot of protection around the sides, so if you happen to drop the phone on its side, it's gonna look okay. So the next case that we have is, let's get this one off first, and then we'll move on to the next one. Drop it down. The Tough Armor. So with Tough Armor, it's a little bit of a bulky case. Nothing wrong with that. Like, sometimes that's perfectly fine, especially if you're the type of person that drops your phone a lot. A very thick sides, got Spigen's air cushion technology, protective button cutouts. The mute switch is a little open there. Really precise cutouts for the rear camera bump. And of course, as always, there is the Kickstand, which I'll pop out really quickly. The Kickstand's great if you want to watch movies on the iPhone 11's new screen. So we'll pop that out. And we'll move on to a liquid crystal case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This case, like, I really like the green colored iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's like probably my favorite color of a phone ever released. So obviously, if you're like me, you're gonna wanna show off that design, and it's a really nice color, and that's what this case is for. The liquid crystal is transparent, as you can see, still offers protection on the sides, but that's really gonna give you a look at what the phone looks like, unlike a lot of other cases out there. So we'll pop that one off. Very tight fit on this one, which, like, I mean, that's definitely not a good thing. Not a bad thing, I mean, because you don't want dust to get behind the phone, right? In between the phone and the case, that can sometimes cause scratches. So the next one we have here is the Ultra Hybrid. Another nice tight fit. So with the Ultra Hybrid, you have a clear back and you have the bumpers and the air cushion technology along the sides. I really like the clear back. Again, it's gonna show off what the phone looks like. And if you're using the iPhone 11 Pro Max and you have this forest green color, that's something that's definitely worth doing. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this one. I always really like this version of this case from Spigen with every single phone that I try it with, but it's especially useful with the 11 Pro Max. So pop that one off. Now we're gonna move to our final case in this list, and this one is one of Spigen's more popular cases. So this is the Rugged Armor. It has an interesting design. I think the accessory manufacturer changed this with, I think, one of the Samsung Note phones first, but it has this like line design at the top, this sort of brushed at the back, and then the whole rear of the phone features this brushed, I guess a brushed texture to it, which adds more grip to the phone. It's really nice. It's a thin case. It's kind of a nice balance between what the thin fit offers and what something that's a little more heavy duty has, like the kickstand on this one here. I'm a big fan of it. I like it. But some people may not really like the sort of the design, the geometric design on the back, which I understand. But it's generally a nice balance between protection and style, which I think is great. So that's it. That's a quick look at Spigen's iPhone 11 lineup. And as always, you can get these cases for every single iPhone 11 phone, whether it's the Pro or the Pro Max or the regular iPhone 11. And thanks for watching.